Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You're listening to Financial Climbs, and today I'm going to take you through 3 halal stocks set to surge amid the Middle East tensions. Now, the stock market is reacting fast to the latest Iran-Israel escalations. Oil prices are spiking, energy stocks are rallying, and uncertainty is shaking global markets, guys. So let's dive straight in. Looking back at the S&P 500 from where we left off, we were seeing it growing past the $6,000 mark all the way up through to the 6,024. But what we've seen is a massive pullback way back down to 5,976 to close out the week, guys. And as you may be well aware, this is due to the escalating Middle Eastern tensions with Israel and Iran exchanging strikes, not to mention strikes going on again today as we close out Saturday night. This uncertainty has driven a flight to safe haven assets like gold and oil, while equities have seen a real pullback, but more on this later. Additionally, concerns over payment disruptions and stablecoin developments have weighed on financial stocks too, guys, contributing to this decline. So the first stock I've got for you today is ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil is one of the largest oil producers, and with Middle East tensions escalating, oil prices have surged 10%. The region is a critical hub for global oil supply, and any disruption could push prices even higher. So why is it really poised for growth? With Iran threatening Western allies, concerns over oil supply disruptions are growing. ExxonMobil benefits from higher crude prices, which directly impact its profit margins, guys. If tensions escalate even further, which it seems they have done tonight too, expect oil stocks to really rally next week. Looking at the stock price for ExxonMobil, we can see it's currently sitting at 112. We saw highs back in March, April at 118, and looking at the year figure, we saw 125 back in October. This recent spike is clearly because of the recent escalations. We saw 7%, 7.5% within the last 5 days, guys, but we can only expect this to grow with the rising uncertainty and continued missile barrage from both countries at the moment. Just looking at what the analysts are saying, we've got Piper Sandler maintaining a buy rating at $125. We have Mizuho maintaining a hold rating at 124 and RBC Capital at 105. So the large majority of those are expecting the price to rally. Looking at our second stock then, we have Schlumberger SLB. This is a leading oil field services company providing drilling, exploration and production solutions to energy firms worldwide. As oil prices rise, demand for advanced extraction technologies is expected to grow with it. Why is this stock in particular poised for growth, guys? With Iran-Israel tensions escalating, global oil markets are reacting sharply. Schlumberger benefits from high exploration activity as companies rush to secure energy supplies amid the uncertainty that we're seeing. So going through to the stock analysis then, we can see that the price closed out at $36.30 with a market cap of 50 billion. It has a lot of room there to grow, and the highs were up at 68 and recent lows down at 32. If we're looking at projected growth, analysts forecast a 47% upside with a price target of $52. Some broader analyst thoughts: Wells Fargo maintained a price target of 43, Morgan Stanley has it at 45, and Piper Sandler has it at 44. So all key analysts are projecting quite significant spikes coming up. Love to hear your thoughts on this stock too. Moving on to our third stock, we have Halliburton. This is a major oil field services provider specializing in energy and infrastructure and drilling technologies. With Middle East tensions rising, demand for oil production and refining services is expected to increase. So why specifically this stock? Well, Halliburton benefits from higher oil prices as companies expand drilling operations to meet global demand. As Iran-Israel tensions escalate, energy security becomes a top priority, boosting Halliburton's market position. Looking at the charts, then we can see that it's currently sitting at a modest $23.19. Projected growth is looking at above 52% here, and it's really playing out on the graph here too, guys. We can see on a 5-year graph chart here that we had highs of 41 back in April, again 42 in September 23. It really seems like the sort of upper resistance line up at the 40 mark, and we are looking at a position at the moment where we're currently at 5-year lows at the moment. And with the position in Iran and Israel, it really seems like an opportunity to get in before everyone latches on. Just a quick look at what analysts are saying for this one. Wells Fargo has it at $28, Morgan Stanley also at 28, and Goldman Sachs at 24. So fairly modest from sort of some of the leading analysts. However, the Iran-Israel war has not been priced in to these analyst ratings. So that's it for today, guys. These 3 stocks, ExxonMobil, Schlumberger and Halliburton, are positioned to benefit from rising geopolitical tensions. If you're looking for halal investment opportunities, these picks are worth watching. What do you think? Drop a comment below. This has been Financial Climbs, and I'll catch you in the next one.